Hey guys, Courtney and Seth here today with an unusual type of video. This will be like no video we've really ever done. We recently went to Universal and literally just a few days ago, and we were there for the closing of Finnegan's Bar and Grill, one of the popular restaurant and bars in Universal Studios. And if you guys have been with us long, it is one that we absolutely love and adore. And so do many other guests, pass holders, even team members. So this is basically just going to be clips from that night. Seth and I really didn't want to focus on filming and narrating, every single thing that happened because we wanted to be there in the moment too. So these are kind of just the memories and the snapshots that we took, not even for the purpose of making a YouTube video. But for ourselves, so we can kind of have a memory aid, when we think back about Finnegan's and really know what we were doing that night, the people that were there, the smiles, the tears, the hugs, and everything in between. But like I said, if you guys have been with us long, you know our love for Finnegan's, and they are going to be doing a complete remodel and hopefully opening back in 2027, early 2027. So none of us really know what the future holds or what Finnegan's will even look like, how it will operate. There's some rumors floating out there, but you guys know we don't deal with any of the rumor stuff. And yeah, this is just basically our memories from that night, raw memories. And there were quite a few emotions, not just from Seth and I, but people in the video that you'll be able to see. So after I get done with my little narration here, the rest of the video is just basically going to be clips put together. So if you weren't able to be there on that last night, you can kind of get somewhat, of an idea of what we experienced there. And I hope some of the true emotion and happiness comes through this video for you if you weren't able to be there. And if you were ever at Finnegan's in the past, just know that you were there, for the original. Because again, we don't know what the future is going to look like for Finnegan's. If you don't know Seth and I, and you're just stumbling upon this video, you're probably like, what the heck? Why are they being so upset about a restaurant and bar? But again, just keep watching. We're not the only ones. There were hundreds of people that circulated through that day with gifts, tears, comments about Finnegan's. It's just a special place, and I hope that comes through in the video now. So cheers to all of you, and I hope you enjoy. They're not waving. Hold on. Yay! It's a video. Yay! So pretty, so pretty.
That party is a party of
'Been here since open, and I haven't cried once. And
Yeah.
my eyes almost burst.
We love you!
I have missed you guys so much, and I'm driving my husband crazy. Oh, louder? Sorry. For once, you're
Yes!
okay.
Woo!
So here's what we're gonna do. I can't hold the phone, read, and have a drink. But we're gonna do a toast. So grab your drinks. That's right. Okay.
Yes!
Here we go.
Woo!
I'm reading because I will. All right. Just for a moment, tonight is one of those nights that really feels special. After tonight, Finnegan's closes its doors for a remodel and a new chapter begins. And while what's coming next is exciting, tonight is about honoring what this place has been. Finnegan's has never been just a bar.
No!
It's been a home. Strangers become regulars, and regulars become friends, and friends become family. There's something about this place, the heart of it, the soul behind the bar, the warmth that keeps pulling people back in, that doesn't happen by accident. It happens because of the people, the guests who made this their neighborhood bar.
Yeah!
And inside a theme park,
Yes!
it's still one of the craziest and coolest things ever. And the team who showed up with their heart every single day. Tonight we raise our glasses to the memories we made here, to the family we built here, and to the next chapter ahead.
Yeah!
Thank you for being a part of this place and a part of this story. Thank you so much.